Traditional business industries are a very attractive opportunity for entrepreneurs today. Typically, they're often overlooked by the very fancy tech startup world, but this is not a good thing because those traditional businesses, they offer great opportunities. We see that almost 50% of the traditional SMEs in Europe, they lack succession. The owners now, they are getting close to retirement age and they don't have succession for their business. With fewer people opting to take over that family business, this creates a great opportunity for budding entrepreneurs to enter such a traditional sector. And those traditional industries are super attractive because of great profitability, good revenue streams, and an established client base. If you look at tech startups, they typically compete for market share, they compete for investors, they compete for the best innovation in the market. That is a tough game. Traditional industries, that's a totally different ballgame. There, if you have a little bit of innovation, you can directly be one of the best in the industry. And that is, I think, a great opportunity for budding entrepreneurs to look at those traditional businesses and boost with a little bit of innovation directly the revenues and maybe the profitability of that business. Modern technology can quite easily be implemented in these traditional industries. For example, in logistics, you can think of digital solutions to enhance your supply chain. In manufacturing, you can think of data monitoring tools that produce better products. So those innovations can be very simple, but a great effect on profitability and revenues. What we see now is that many of those young people that want to start a business, they look at tech startups that are offering very innovative things in software as a service, for example, in accounting technology and so on. That's good, but there is much more. If they look at traditional industries, there is plenty of room for good ideas that are a little bit innovative, but where you can create immediately impact in that industry. And that is, of course, a great thing for ideation as well.